Hello. Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Hayes. I want to show you how we are going to create a color wheel today. You are going to find some kind of a plate or a circle or something around the house. I happen to have these tubs left over that I bought at the supermarket. I'm using the lids from them to trace around and to create a circle. I'm going to do a small, a medium, and a large to divide my paper up into different shapes. The basic color wheel has the primary and secondary colors on it. I want you to use a ruler. I want you to draw a line straight through your circle as best as you can center it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to turn your ruler and you're going to make another line, not halfway this way, but only about a third. You want to kind of eyeball it if you can. Draw a line across, almost like you're drawing a pie shape. And then one more, and that's going to give you the basic 6 wedges of the color wheel. Using crayon or marker or whatever you have, I want you to begin by putting the 3 primary colors spread out in a triangle. I'm going to put yellow up here at the top. I'm going to put, not in the wedge right next to it, but one away. I'm going to create red. And then I'm going to use blue. We're organizing the primary colors on the basic color wheel so that we can place the colors that they mix when they're put together in between them. When you put together red and yellow, you make orange. So I'm going to take the orange marker and color that between them. When you mix yellow and blue together, that makes green. In my marker pack, I have a bright colored green I'd like to use so it shows up better. You might have a darker color than Mrs. Hayes, or you may be using crayon or colored pencil. The final color on the basic color wheel is purple. Another name for purple is violet. Artists divide the colors up in different color families. The primary colors are important because they mix all the other colors together. One thing that I like to do when I'm creating a color wheel is to try to include lighter values or darker values of a color. For example, for blue, I'm going to use a crayon now in this medium arch, the center of my blue wedge. And then I'm going to color lighter still to show the different values. A color can have different values and intensities. I'm going to do the same for red. I'm going to do the same for yellow. I'm going to repeat this process. I created medium and light of yellow, medium and light of blue. I'm going to do the same for the 3 secondary colors. These are orange, green, and purple. They were made by mixing 2 primary colors together. Now that I've included the secondary colors, the medium and the light purple, the medium and the light green, the medium and the light orange, I'm going to finish my color wheel by doing some outlining so that it looks a little bit neater. The color wheel is one way artists organize colors and help group them into color families. We are going to create our own today.